Guys, welcome back to the KX250 Shifter Kart build part 4. Today's video we got some really special boxes as you can see here, and I'm super excited to unbox these, so be sure you guys stay tuned. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that like. But anyways guys, it's super cold outside, I'm bundled up, 3 layers, so yeah, let's get into this. Alright guys, here's the first one. Wow. Carbon fiber wheel. That is insane. Wow, it looks so good in the sunlight. Extremely light, it's hollow. It doesn't need to be solid because carbon fiber is extremely strong. So yeah. The second box is from GPI Auto Parts. As you can see, very nice aluminum. And reason why I ordered these, I just didn't want to jack with the stock ones. They're all bent and leaking, and so I just went ahead and ordered these, and I think I'll be very happy. This is the most expensive and biggest piece of this cart so far. Man, this video is expensive. Actual carbon fiber, fully carbon fiber. None of that plastic stuff. Wow. There y'all go guys. Fully carbon fiber GT spoiler. Very, very expensive, but I think it's worth it. The weave isn't perfect, as you can see, stuff right there, but you know, I really love the way this looks. Fully carbon fiber, weighs only like 2 pounds I believe, and completely hollow. So yeah guys, I can't wait to put these on, but for now we gotta address some things on the go-kart, fix a few issues, so let's get right into it. The steering is a real pain in the butt, but I'm really happy with how the carbon fiber steering wheel is looking. Everything looks really nice. This isn't final. I'm gonna wait after the test drive to make the steering final. And after the test drive, I gotta adjust the front width, the rear width. I gotta adjust the frame, the chain, the engine, the steering wheel, the seat, just to kind of feel it out, see how it handles. Yeah, at this point, I want to go ahead and move to the rear. We got to do the rear supports here. So yeah guys, enough with the talking. Let's get back to work. Wow, I am extremely blown away on how that wing looks, how the steering wheel looks. It just looks fantastic. The mounts turn out pretty good. You know, they're a little bit flimsy, so I might have to redo those. But yeah guys, I am excited to finish this thing. Wow, that looks so amazing. Here's where I need your help. Which ones do I choose? The stock carbon fiber end plates or my custom stainless steel end plates which will be polished to a mirror finish? I tried to polish those mounts up and I spent several hours making the end plates and I spent the whole day making those. I'm gonna go ahead, make another one of those, take the wing off. I want to go ahead and primer those mounts because I don't want them to rust. That sounds kind of weird coming from me, but yeah, I don't want them to rust. So I'm going to go ahead and primer those mounts. And yeah, we'll be back in business. I went ahead and primed this wing support and it just looks amazing. It turned out amazing. These stainless steel end plates, they look amazing too. I might have to tweak them a little bit, but on Instagram I asked if y'all like these and a lot of people said they like the carbon fiber ones better, but I spent hours. Time is worth a lot and I'm probably going to go ahead and keep these on. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that I can in fact sit on this wing and it can pretty much support my whole weight. So that's a plus. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to punch that like button down below. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes where I post stories like this very frequently. And also big thanks to our sponsor at GoPowersports.com. Check them out for all your power sport, your go-kart, and your mini bike needs. All the links to those products are down below. And there will also be a PayPal and a Patreon link for any of you interested in donating to the channel and supporting this build. And guys, unfortunately this video was kind of short, but that's just because of the immense amount of repetitive cutting I had to do for the back, for the winglets, for the mounts, the steering wheel, the steering, all that was just an incredible amount of time, so I decided to cut a lot of it out. Despite that, guys, I'm really happy with how the carbon fiber wing, the end plates, the mounts, and the steering wheel looks. I think they'll really be complemented by my custom aero kit I will be making in the future, so be sure you guys stay tuned for that. And coming up here soon, I will be rebuilding this engine and taking it apart around part 5 or part 6, so be sure you guys stay tuned. And I have lots of parts on the way, so guys stay tuned. I have lots of awesome things with this Kart. I'm really excited to get it finished and I hope you guys are too. And you guys have just opened this possibility for me to build something like this from scratch and show off my talent and skills, so I highly do appreciate it, guys. But this is going to have to be a wrap for the night. Remember to smash that like button down below, subscribe if you're new, check out my other videos, check out part 3, part 2, and part 1. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Peace.